If you love tech, you must not miss this. Discover the technology you'll want to buy at any age. These technologies that we'll show you in this video will make your life easier inside and outside the home. But before we start, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. From the most useful and essential for your day-to-day to the best sellers today, we have helped you categorize these technologies for home, sport, gaming, and car. Technological gadgets for the home. Let's be honest, although we can currently control almost any appliance in our house with our mobile phone, turning the light on and off by clapping has its charm. And it's because, in the past few years, many technological innovations have silently crept into our homes. Are we getting close to the future that our parents once imagined? It's possible. Vacuum cleaner robot, a device that sweeps and even scrubs the house for you without complaining. On its own is an amazing delight when you return home, making it one of the most beneficial technological inventions to date. There are several brands and kinds of robots available today: Roomba, Conga, iRobot, Rowenta, etc., with varying degrees of functionality. But they all map your home digitally and sweep the floor without your knowledge, having the ability to set up your routines and rules from your smartphone. Do you find it interesting? Considering all of these models, pick the robot vacuum cleaner with the best pricing. Voice assistants. Have you ever wished you had a personal butler to do tasks for you? Our pleas have been heard. Virtual assistants like the Google Home with OK Google and the Amazon Echo Dot with Alexa are ready to carry out nearly any request. From turning on the music, the lights, the coffee maker, or the news or weather forecast, to turning on our favorite television shows. In reality, both have recently risen to the top of the list of technological devices in terms of sales. Media players for TV. Do you still have that old television in your living room or kitchen? Give it a new lease on life using Google Chromecast and Amazon TV Fire Stick if you don't want to get rid of it or are unsure of what to do. With the help of these two amazing home appliances, you can turn any HDMI-equipped television into a multimedia hub where you can access services like Netflix, HBO, YouTube, Movistar Plus, and a long list of others. Does this imply that I can upgrade my outdated TV to a smart TV? Yes, electronic thermostats. Getting up in the morning in the middle of winter and the room is already warm, or being able to go to bed in summer without fear of waking up drenched in sweat is a luxury. Control the temperature of your house automatically with electronic thermostats, one of the essential technological gadgets for any house at any time of the year. All you have to do is connect it to a compatible heating and cooling system and decide what temperature your house will be when you return. Alarms and security sensors. Forget about hiring an alarm company, so you may leave your home feeling secure in the knowledge that everything is under control. Many different technological devices can keep your home completely secure, are simple to set up, and can be connected to your smartphone via an application, from inexpensive sensors for doors and windows to sound-activated presence detection. Of course, you have access to a large selection of alarm systems in our inventory at the lowest prices. Video surveillance cameras. Get the ability to connect to your house, place of business, or just about anywhere to observe events firsthand. One of the most intriguing and surprisingly affordable technical devices of the past year is video surveillance cameras. They are ideal for more circumstances than we can think thanks to their excellent connectivity and usefulness. Install one of these cameras anywhere to monitor anything from young children to elders, pets, or even employees, and all you need to do is connect to your phone to see what happens. Technological gadgets for sports. It was obvious that technology would have an impact on how sports are played, and in recent years, sports-related tech gifts have become popular presents for men, women, and kids of all ages. From gadgets that will make exercising much more fun to others that will help us keep track of our health before, during, and after, you can choose your preferred technological device from the samples we've provided. Smart Scale. From the New Year's resolution to the bikini operation, there are many moments of the year in which we decide to control our weight. This is not an easy task, which is why smart scales are one of the best technological gadgets for this, since they will be your best ally when it comes to monitoring our health and progress. There are many brands and models with more or less functionality, but in general, they will all give us information about our percentage of body fat, BMI, muscle mass, and fluid retention, among other data. The best thing about many of these scales is that they connect to your smartphone for easy access to historical records. Smart kettlebells. Are you as much a lover of sports as you are of technology? If so, the following of our gadgets is one of the most curious, since it will solve the lack of space and a large number of weights, one for sure, your main problems. Jack Shocks is the company that brings us the Kettlebell Connect, a single kettlebell that changes your weight from 6 to 21 kilos. This does not end here. You can synchronize the device with your smartphone to create profiles and enjoy a multitude of extra features. Undoubtedly, the definitive solution for sports lovers at home who do not enjoy all the space they would like. Smartwatches. Currently, it is rare not to see one of these smartwatches on anyone's wrist. Their high versatility has made them in a short time one of the best-selling and preferred technological gadgets to give as gifts. Originally designed as sports accessories, thanks to their ability to monitor our physical activity during our exercise sessions, they have advanced to become practically wrist smartphones. Technological gaming gadgets. Achieving maximum performance while playing is not just a matter of skill and hardware. Below, we will recommend some examples of gaming accessories that will take your game to the next level, most for less than 50 euros even. Discover gadgets you won't know how you've been living and playing with up until now, and don't hesitate to buy them if you get the chance. Portable Switch docks. We are sure that if you have a Nintendo Switch, more than once you have seen yourself in the position of wanting to play, but the Switch was out of battery and you have to connect it to the dock and the television. Well, this is over. With the portable Switch docks, you can charge the console anywhere while you play with it and without a TV. This is mainly thanks to the fact that this charging station eliminates the annoying toaster shape that prevents us from seeing the screen and also allows the independent connection of the television. Without a doubt, one of the essential accessories if you are a Nintendo lover. Gaming controllers for smartphones. Gaming is not just a matter of computers and consoles. Some of the most important international championships and tournaments are played on the smartphones of the most die-hard gamers. To play on the phone with the comfort of a console, some geniuses developed the most innovative gadgets we can imagine. We are talking about controllers with smartphone support. There are different models. Our favorites are the console-type controls, the Switch-type controls, and the ergonomic grips. 3 alternatives for gaming controls have become the star technological gadgets for children and not so children. Multi-charger for wireless PS4 controller. Forget cables and mess. Have up to 2 of your controllers always ready to play and recharge them just by leaving them on the charger that we present below. One of the essential gadgets for less than 50 euros for PS4 users. This wireless charger for PS4 will allow you to charge up to 2 controllers simultaneously quickly and easily, being fully compatible with PS4, PS4 Slim, and PS4 Pro, as well as having a security system to prevent any kind of overheating. When they are fully charged, the support will notify you with a green signal, which is a pretty cool signal. Tech gadgets for the car. Dash cam for car. We do not want to be a bird of bad omen, and we hope you never have any problems. But sometimes our word will not be enough to defend ourselves in the event of a car accident. This is one of the most useful gadgets and has been around for years in many European countries. But in Spain, its use is not so recognized. Dash cams are automatic video cameras to record while we are driving. There are more or less complete ones, but they all allow us to obtain audio and even sound recordings before, during, and after having a traffic accident, separating that video fragment from the rest and saving it on an SD card. Voice assistants for car. We already told you before how voice assistants had positioned themselves as one of the best technological gadgets of the past 2019. Well, your car is not exempt from this revolution since Viva Pro together has developed a voice assistant for the car that works with Alexa. Ask him to take you to a specific place, to play music, to turn on the lights in your house, or even to order pizza at home. Enjoy all the possibilities and advantages of Alexa from your car. FM radio transmitter with Bluetooth and USB. Is your car too old and the radio does not work? The CD player, and of course, it does not have Bluetooth or USB. Your times of going with your mobile phone at full volume listening to music are over. FM transmitters for cars are one of the cheapest technological gadgets, many for less than 50 euros, that stand out for their versatility. Connect music via USB, tune in to radio stations, answer calls and charge other devices. Give a new life to your car and enjoy your trips on the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell to get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel. Please share your thoughts about the technology you'll want to buy at any age in the comment section below. Thank you.